Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion that has intrigued philosophers, poets, scientists, and ordinary people alike for centuries. It's a feeling that transcends boundaries, cultures, and time, and yet, defining love remains a challenging task. In this article, we'll explore 7 different ways to define love, shedding light on its various dimensions and the profound impact it has on our lives. 1. Romantic love. One of the most common and widely recognized forms of love is romantic love. It's characterized by intense passion, emotional attachment, and often a desire for physical intimacy. Romantic love can be the foundation of long-lasting relationships and is often associated with the feeling of being in love. 2. Unconditional love. Unconditional love is a selfless form of affection that knows no bounds or limitations. It's the kind of love parents have for their children, and it's often seen as a commitment to support and care for someone regardless of their flaws or mistakes. Unconditional love is enduring and can withstand the test of time. 3. Platonic love. Platonic love refers to the deep emotional connection between friends. It's a love devoid of romantic or sexual intentions, characterized by mutual respect, trust, and a sense of shared purpose. Platonic love celebrates the beauty of friendship and often results in lifelong companionship. 4. Self-love. Before we can truly love others, we must learn to love ourselves. Self-love is about accepting and embracing who we are, flaws and all. It's not narcissism but a healthy appreciation for one's own worth and well-being. Practicing self-love leads to improved mental health and better relationships with others. 5. Compassionate love. Compassionate love, often associated with empathy, is the feeling of care and concern for others' well-being. It involves understanding and alleviating their suffering, whether physical or emotional. Compassionate love can be the driving force behind acts of kindness and altruism. 6. Spiritual love. Many religions and spiritual traditions emphasize the concept of divine or spiritual love. It's a transcendent love that connects individuals to a higher power or the universe. This type of love often leads to a sense of purpose, inner peace, and a desire to serve others. 7. Passionate love. Passionate love is marked by intense and often fleeting infatuation. It's the fiery and all-consuming love that can make us feel alive and exhilarated. While it may not always last, passionate love can be a powerful force in our lives, driving us to take risks and pursue our desires. Conclusion. Defining love is like trying to capture a fleeting moment in time. It's challenging, yet profoundly rewarding. Love takes on many forms, and its meanings vary from person to person and culture to culture. Whether it's the romantic, unconditional, platonic, self-love, compassionate, spiritual, or passionate kind, love is a fundamental aspect of the human experience that enriches our lives and connects us to one another. Embracing the diverse ways in which we define love allows us to appreciate its beauty and complexity fully.